everyone. So for today's experiment, it is really exciting. We are going to do number 1 first, and then I have got another one that follows. So please keep watching. For experiment number 1, I have added some water to my plate, and then I have sprinkled some ground pepper onto my plate too. And then we are going to see whether I can separate the oregano flakes from the water. Are you ready? On 3, 2, 1, go. Wow! So the oregano has separated from the water. And what is this I have on my finger? Yes, it is some fairy liquid. Now, soap molecules like to stick together. But when you put some soap molecules in there as well, like the soap molecules from the fairy liquid, they weaken the bonds. So the water doesn't stick together as much as it would as if it was just pure water. Now, what happens is we put the soap into the middle, and that causes the water to pull away and to take the pepper with it too. Now, if you're someone who likes a competition, you can try this again using different liquids within your home. So I have got some milk. You can get food colouring, vinegar, lemon juice, hand sanitizer, and then that is your fairy liquid. Test them out, write down the scores on how effective it is of removing the pepper from the water to the side. And yeah, have a little bit of fun, see how it goes. I will test out two of those that I've got there, so you can see the difference from the soap molecules to the difference in 2 of these liquids as well. So I've got my plate ready with my pepper on. So this one, I'm going to put my finger in the milk. Okay, or you can try a toothpick or a cotton bud if you don't want to put your fingers in. And then I pop it in the middle, so it moves a little bit. On that one, I would give that probably a 4 out of 10, so not as effective as the soap. I have got my water and my pepper ready for my 3rd liquid I'm going to try. So I've tried fairy liquid, I've tried milk, and now I'm going to try hand sanitizer. So I'm going to put my finger in the middle. Ooh, so it does separate it a little bit more than the milk, but not as much as the soap. So I'll maybe give that a 6 out of 10. So let me know what happens when you try different liquids to see what happens. And remember, this is all to do with surface tension, because our water molecules like to stick together. But when you put the soap in, that is separating those water molecules and taking the pepper with it. And it is, for example, if you think of a balloon has a rubber skin. It is filled inside with air, and that pushes the skin tight. But when you put a pin inside of the rubber on the outside, that is then allowing those molecules, those rubber molecules, to weaken. And then if you put a big tear in it, then it pushes it and it separates. Very similar to the water. All of those molecules are stuck together. When you put a liquid like the soap on it, it weakens them and they separate. So enjoy your surface tension experiment. I have another one coming up in part 2.